Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue shuttering FPS or any issues are related to performance. So this setting will help you to increase the FPS and make your game smoother. So this is a very basic setting and this is related to the registry. So it's better to create the registry restore point first. Click on restore and simply turn this on. If it is not turn this on, configure it, turn the system protection on and give it at least 2 to 3 percentage of your SSD, and let's create a new one and give it FPS boost and click on create. If anything goes wrong and you have misconfigured anything on your registry, so you can restore your system to original defaults, but I will show you with the help of also notepad and step by step so that you don't make any mistakes while editing the registry editor. So while it is running, let's open the registry. It's done now. If you see here the registry points, you should able to see the registry point here. So now open the registry editor, type a registry and run this as administrator, and basically we need to go to this location, HK local machine, first computer HK local machine, software Microsoft, then Windows run. Let's browse this. HK local machine, we are on the computer HK local machine, double click on this, then we need to go to the software, then we need to click on Microsoft. This is the Microsoft software, then Microsoft Windows run, and then activable class ID, Windows run. Press W on your keyboard and look for Windows run in a W series. Windows runtime, then activable class IDs, and this is very important part now. Press W again on your keyboard and look for W and G series. This you need to figure out. Windows gaming bar, and last presence writer. Okay, so let's open and go to the W and G series. This is the W and A. Scroll down, keep scrolling until you find the G series. This D, G now, and gaming. This is a gaming, as you can see here. This is we need it. Presence writer. So make sure you navigate through this path correctly. As you can see here, gaming.presence server internal presence writer. Okay, so once you on this correct directory, so you need to double click on activation type and change its value to 0. If it is giving any error to you, you need to change the ownership of that. How to change? Right click on here, go to permission. You don't have any permission on it, as you can see here. Only give the full permission, apply, still accessing. Click on advanced in order to change the ownership, then click on change. Now click on your username, whatever username you have. In my case, I have logged in with the Dell, so you can select your username. I'm selecting everyone EBER, and check names. All the users will be included. Replace ownership, click on apply. click on OK. Now add it now. Everyone, check names. If you have Microsoft account, just select the Microsoft account, give full permission, apply, OK. Now you should able to perform this task. Now let's press 0, as you can see here. Now restart your Windows, guys, and I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed after applying this method. So I hope, guys, just comment me if your issue is fixed or not. So thank you, thanks for watching.